Hi guys, welcome to Byte Official, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can configure the power settings for any of the ASUS laptops. So this is one of the known quirks with ASUS. So I'll show you quickly what I mean by this. So if I go to control panel, from here I select as draw small icons and I go to power use options. Okay. Now if you are also a power user, yeah, that power user like me, then you would also have that itch to change the power plan and mess with these to choose what power buttons to and etc. Okay, so first things first, this custom power plan you will get only balanced and it's fine. Okay, we don't need here the ultimate or the performance power plans here because this power settings is managed by the Armoury Crate. And again, as I said, I'm a power user and I don't use Armoury Crate. So what do I use instead? So I am using GHelper. So I'll leave the link in the description below. From there, you can get the GHelper. This is much better and much lighter than the Armoury Crate provided by ASUS. Okay. Now over here, once you move to turbo, balance, silent, okay, in the modes of the CPU and the GPU, it is automatically going to like and update the power options. Okay, so you don't need to do anything over here. Okay, that's the first thing. And after that, the next thing is if I come over here, choose what the power buttons do. Okay, so see here. This if I want to change, like let now it's do nothing. I want here so to be do nothing. Okay, so this is one of the known quirks that if I changed anything here, I save changes. And after this, if I restart my computer, what will happen is this settings they revert back to whatever it was earlier. Okay. So I have one fix for this. So what I do is like first I changed over here. Now I will come to my GHelper, go to extras, and here you can see some ASUS services are running. Okay, so we need to close this and terminate all these services. Okay, so to see which services are running and which ones we need to terminate, I'll just go to the task manager. So for that, you can either use Control Shift Escape to directly come here, or you can do Control Alt Delete and then end open task manager. Okay. So this is the task manager, and here if you see, we have these services. Okay. So here we can see Armoury Crate services and these. Okay. And these are right now stopped. I had stopped them. Okay. And if you want to know more, so you can just right click on this and open services. Okay. So from here, I'll get the services menu. And from here, I can like match the services. So you can see the ASUS services. So first of all is the Armoury Crate. This you need to disable. So just right click on this, go to properties, disable it from here and stop the service as well if it is running. So the status should be stopped and startup type should be disabled and then apply and okay. And the same thing we have to do with the, what is this? Let's see. So we'll look at the services one by one. So you can see here. So most of the ASUS service activities, again, I don't need this as well, app service. So I'll just go here, properties, say disabled and stop. Okay. Apply. Okay. Optimization is disabled. Okay, fine. ASUS Software Manager. Drivers firmware updates again. This is something which is not required. So again, properties. Disable this. Stop this. Apply and okay. Okay. ASUS switch disabled. Okay, disable ASUS switch as well. System analysis as well. Okay. Then system diagnosis. What is this? Again, this again is not required. And I'll go to properties, disabled, stop. Okay. So if you have an ASUS laptop, just check for these services. Okay. If you have them, just disable them. Okay. Apply. Okay. Then numpad service, this we need for this, the number pad. Okay. So this is the only one that I require. Others are not required. Okay. So I disabled them. Now I'll close this from here, close this and come here again to here. So I'll just close this and try to run this again. Extras. So now you can see no ASUS services are running. So you should also get like this. It should be 0. Once this is 0, now I'll just close these. Okay. And ensure that my power plan is set to do nothing, like whatever I need. Okay. I need do nothing when I close the lid so that I can run the background tasks and then close the lid and go away. Okay. So now I can set this, save changes. Okay. And close this. And now even when I restart the computer or even after some time, this changes are now not going to be reverted as it was happening earlier. Okay, so that was pretty much it in this video, and I hope this video helped you in some way or the other. So do like this video, hype this video, and share this with your friends. And if you want to watch more such content, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye bye. See you in the next one.